Now, one lesson for all of you take today is this only. Skill karna, master that and be expert. Expert means nobody should know better than you in that skill. People should wait. For example, के लिए they have come for a mobile repair or laptop repair, and suppose you are not there, they should not go to somebody else. When will you come back? 2 days. I will wait for 2 days. Because I want only you to touch my vehicle, or to touch my mobile, or to touch my equipment. That kind of expertise. That is only possible. उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी चीज़ है, उसको हम बोलते हैं जो आप नहीं करते हो. 1 month he will give all the input to you. He will teach you everything कर लिया. But now it depends upon you. How much will you practice? How much will you practice? How much will you practice? If you don't practice, there is no use, because practice only makes you skilled. Knowledge does not make you skilled. पढ़ने से नहीं होता है, करने से होता है, पर हमको करना नहीं. Very important difference, which because this now इसके बीच में एक चीज आती है. और जो बहुत जरूरी है इसका बीच में. Next big thing in the world, not now, next big thing in the world after skill is going to be attitude. Who has fabulous attitudes only will get job. They will be all the machine. सबको skill आएगा ना. How everybody has knowledge now? Now everybody will also have skills. What will give you an upper edge to everybody will be your attitude. इसका टाइम नहीं आएगा, गड़बड़ मत करो, आ गया. Okay. But इसका बीच में एक चीज होता है, उसको बोलते हैं attitude, and that is where the most people suffer is कि you think you have got a certificate, you think you have got one document, you think you have done a program, and you can get a job. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. You go to swimming pool. Okay. You go to swimming pool. I'll give an example to you. Have you seen a poor doctor? Doctor लोग poor नहीं होते. बकवास से बकवास doctor also, with all due respect to doctors, even if they are simply past doctors, also have a good living. They live good life. Have you seen doctors living on rented house? Standing on the road, कुछ काम दे दो भाई, कुछ काम दे दो भाई, कुछ काम दे दो भाई. No, doctors make good living. Have you seen a poor CA? CA also will do well in life. Correct? No? Computer professional also you will see good. They will not be poor. Computer professional, so machine पे काम करते हैं, will do good in life. You know why? MBBS जो करता है, so every MBBS college is attached with the hospital, right? Have you seen only MBBS college? Every MBBS college is attached with the hospital. So college will give you theory, and you have to go in the hospital and do the practice. Once in a month or daily? Once in a month, once in a week, or every day?
Every day.
Every day you have to practice. The 5 years of MBBS, they also had theory, they also had practice, so they know how to do the operation, how to check the patient, how to give the prescription किया है, plus another 2 to 3, 4 years of MD भी करना है, so 9 years of practice भी किया है जो theory लिया है. Now CAs, those who have done CA, they do BCom, and then they also do have the articleship in a CA firm. तो पढ़ाई करते करते उनको सीए का प्रैक्टिस भी करना पड़ता है, आर्टिकलशिप करना पड़ता है इन सीए फॉर्म. तो थियरी भी होता है, प्रैक्टिकल भी होता है, थियरी भी होता है, प्रैक्टिकल भी होता है. द टफेस्ट एग्जाम इन द कंट्री इज सीए एग्जाम, एंड द प्रैक्टिस एंड द थियरी, प्रैक्टिस एंड थियरी. सो व्हेन दे बिकम सीए, they earn more because they also have the knowledge and they also have the skill. So money will come. Now IT professional, when I talk about a programmer or an IT guy, he works on the system. Knowledge also comes from there. He also has to practice there only. So knowledge, practice, knowledge, practice, knowledge, practice, knowledge, practice. He also has knowledge. He also has skill. He will do good in it.